Introduction. The impact of historical artistic styles. Historical artistic styles have profoundly influenced modern design, shaping aesthetic preferences and design principles across various fields. By examining past artistic movements and styles, we can trace their impact on contemporary design practices and trends. Classical art. Foundations of proportion and symmetry. Classical art, from ancient Greece and Rome, established key principles of proportion, symmetry, and harmony that continue to influence modern design. The use of geometric proportions, as seen in the Parthenon and Roman architecture, has informed design principles in fields ranging from architecture to product design, emphasizing balance and visual appeal. Renaissance art. Revival of perspective and realism. The Renaissance era introduced revolutionary techniques in perspective, realism, and naturalism. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo explored anatomical accuracy and spatial depth, which influenced modern design's emphasis on realistic representation and detailed craftsmanship. Renaissance principles continue to inform design practices in fields such as visual arts, film, and graphic design. Baroque art. Drama and ornamentation. Baroque art, characterized by dramatic lighting, intense emotion, and elaborate ornamentation, has left a lasting impact on modern design. The Baroque emphasis on grandeur and dynamic compositions is evident in contemporary interior design, fashion, and visual arts, where dramatic contrasts and intricate details are used to create impactful visual experiences. Art Nouveau. Nature-inspired aesthetics. Art Nouveau, with its focus on organic forms and intricate patterns inspired by nature, has influenced modern design through its emphasis on flowing lines and natural motifs. The movement's integration of art into everyday objects is mirrored in contemporary design trends that incorporate natural elements and fluid shapes into furniture, architecture, and graphic design. Modernism. Simplicity and functionality. Modernism, which emerged in the early 20th century, prioritized simplicity, functionality, and the use of new materials. Influential figures like Le Corbusier and Walter Gropius advocated for clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and the integration of function and form. These principles continue to drive contemporary design, emphasizing practicality and streamlined aesthetics in architecture, industrial design, and graphic design. Postmodernism. Eclecticism and irony. Postmodernism, characterized by its eclectic mix of styles, historical references, and playful irony, has influenced modern design by encouraging a blend of diverse elements and a questioning of traditional norms. This movement's emphasis on pastiche and the deconstruction of established styles can be seen in contemporary design's embrace of eclectic and unconventional approaches. Minimalism. Reduction and clarity. Minimalism, which emerged as a reaction against the excesses of previous styles, focuses on simplicity, clarity, and the elimination of unnecessary elements. Its principles of less is more and the use of negative space are evident in modern design practices, including architecture, interior design, and product design, where clean lines and functional forms are prioritized. Digital art and design, technology and innovation. The advent of digital art and design has been heavily influenced by historical artistic styles while also introducing new possibilities. Digital tools and technologies have enabled designers to reinterpret classical styles, experiment with new forms, and create innovative designs. The fusion of traditional artistic principles with digital techniques has led to dynamic and evolving design practices. Conclusion. The legacy of historical artistic styles. Historical artistic styles have profoundly shaped modern design by establishing foundational principles, influencing aesthetic preferences, and inspiring innovative practices. From classical proportions to digital experimentation, these styles continue to inform and enrich contemporary design, highlighting the enduring legacy of historical artistic achievements. Understanding this influence helps appreciate the evolution of design and its connection to artistic history.